Hall in New York, where she was just 21. And the first Filipino to bag the Favorite Artist Award from the MTV Music Awards in 2002. She was also hailed by the Philippine Association of the Record Industry, or PARI, as the Philippines' best-selling artist of all time, with more than 7 million units sold in the Philippines alone, with another 2 million units sold across the Asian continent. Indeed, Asia's Songbird continues to flourish a life of successes, now as a mother to her son Nate, and husband to songer Ogie Alcacid. And I think all of us in this room can agree that we are all such big fans. Ladies and gentlemen, let's all welcome Asia's Songbird, Miss Regine Velasquez. Awards. And now, ladies and gentlemen, of course, have an awardee who's a world-class singer and not perform, that would be a crime. So to serenade us and captivate us with her world-class voice, please give it up, ladies and gentlemen, for our People of the Year awardee, Regine Velasquez Alcacid.
I'm sure